Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to install AmpCon-DC SDN controller version 2.1.0 from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you 2 installation environments, 4 installation scenarios, about AmpCon-DC SDN controller. The first installation scenario, import AmpCon-DC QCOW2 using virtual machine VirtManager. Before the installation of AmpCon-DC, you need to install VirtManager first. Run VirtManager, and the following interface will pop up. Import the virtual machine. Select Import Existing Disk Image and click Forward. Click Browse to choose the local IMG file. Find the AmpCon-DC image file and click Choose Volume. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu 2022.04 LTS, and click Forward. Adjust the virtual machine configuration as needed and click Forward. For the network, select Mac vTap device, enter the custom device name, and click Finish. Wait for the creation process to complete, which will automatically enter the virtual machine's serial console. Import complete. Now let's modify the configuration. Use the username and password to log into the system. Run the command above to open the network configuration file. Press I to enter edit mode and modify the network interface name and IP address. Once the modifications are complete, type :WQ to save and exit. Run the command above to restart the network service and apply the configuration changes. Run the commands above. And then the following command to start the AmpCon-DC service. Finally, you could enter the AmpCon-DC IP address in a browser to access the AmpCon-DC environment. The second installation scenario, import AmpCon-DC OVA using virtual machine VirtualBox. Before the installation, you should install VirtualBox in advance and copy the AmpCon-DC OVA to your local machine. Import the downloaded AmpCon-DC.OVA file. Modify the settings. Change the network promiscuous mode to Allow All. Start the virtual machine. Next, we will move on to the steps for modifying the configuration and starting AmpCon-DC. Please continue watching from 1 minute 46 seconds. The third installation scenario, import AmpCon-DC OVF using VMware ESXi. Click Create/Register VM to create a virtual machine. Select Deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or OVA file and click Next. Enter a name for the virtual machine, upload the OVF and VMDK files, and click Next. Choose Storage and Deployment options, then click Next. Click Finish to complete the OVF import configuration. Then, wait for the OVF import task to complete, which will take about 30 minutes. is complete, find the AmpCon-off file, then choose Console to open the browser console. Next, we will move on to the steps for modifying the configuration and starting AmpCon-DC. Please continue watching from 1 minute 46 seconds. The fourth installation scenario, deployment of AmpCon-DC on Ubuntu Docker. Obtain the installation package on Ubuntu and view the package. Extract the installation package. Enter the extracted installation package. Run the command above to start the installation. It will take about 5 minutes to complete the installation. Finally, you could enter the AmpCon-DC IP address in a browser to access the AmpCon-DC environment. Welcome to visit the FS website to launch demo, explore its features and test your network. Thank you.